Ask and you shall receive. 2008 Chevrolet Corvette C6 6.2-liter LS3 and a 6L80 transmission. Customer states while doing a service that he found clutch debris and metal in the pan. And 99% of the product has arrived. But let's talk about this. The 6L80 TOW&PRO kit maintains a factory shift feel light to medium throttle and gets progressively firmer above half to wide open throttle. By reworking the 2635R and the 456 clutch regulator boost valves, along with a new HP main boost bushing and valve. The Transgo PR valve, take a membrane and pressure switch seals, early style stator support sealing rings, 6L80 cooler bypass kit, clutch select valves, inboard plugs with seals, boost valve, new actuator feed limit valve. One item I particularly like is the converter clutch regulator valve. This valve allows the TCM to have more control over the converter clutch. Also, the boost valve has a check valve for runaway line pressure. But our important part of this kit is our 35R and 456 clutch boost springs. Now, the 2.6 clutch valve in this transmission does not have a boost valve. But Transgo has invented a boost valve built in to the 2.6 clutch valve. This is a patent pending design. I will be using Robesta's GPZ frictions along with the 35R Z-Pack and the 456 Z-Pack. We have a new Stator Body. In that pump body, I've seen issues where the lockup valve is getting jammed in the bore. This one's already been checked to make sure it does not have a problem when it's installed. We're using Sonax Bushings throughout this entire unit and maintaining the upgraded main shaft. I have not decided whether I'm using the choline or the steels because I have an idea in the back of my mind what he's going to be using it for.